Almost every baker can bake vanilla cakes, but making a perfect one just like this is what is not common. Let me show you exactly how to make this one. My recipes are in caption. There's a little difference in the recipe, but just follow it as it is written. You'll surely get something this perfect. This is the list of the ingredients itemized on my table. Let's get started. Add your sugar, oil, and butter into a mixing bowl. Mix on a medium speed for 3 to 4 minutes. Don't let it be more than that. While mixing, quickly add all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. After 3 to 4 minutes of creaming the butter and sugar together, add 1 egg at a time. Give it a mix. Allow it to combine before adding the next one. Add your vanilla flavor. Divide the dry ingredients into 2 equal parts. Add the first dry ingredient before adding half of the buttermilk. Allow it to cream together before adding the second batch, which is the last batch. Just mix until it combines. It is no over mixing zone that we have. The moment it combines together, just bring it out and you can see how light and fluffy the cake batter looks. So if you have something like this, you are very sure you are going to get a very bright and fluffy vanilla cake. Fill it in the prepared baking pan, then bake at the recommended temperature. Tap it so that to release the air bubbles. Here is the baked cake. I slice it so that I can show you the inside of the cake. Very beautiful, yummy, and tasty at the same time. The next time you are baking vanilla cake, try this recipe and please tag me at Chef Nissi. I would like to see your creation. Thank you for watching. If you are yet to join my kitchen family, you will be missing out a lot. So join us as we improve together in this culinary journey. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share. I will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.